Are you wanting to take your students to the next level while incorporating technology in your classroom? A great way to do this is by using Google Slides. Hello, my name is Chance Wade, and this is your Google Slides tutorial. I am creating this tutorial to give teachers the option of incorporating this tool in their classroom. From my own experience, I have used Google Classroom in my as low as second grade, and it has been really great for collaboration in research projects. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few simple steps and tools to use on the Google Slides template. I will teach you how to add text, change text style, size, and even color. I will show you how to add new slides. You can add slides that are the same format, or you can change your format. And then I will show you two different options for adding images. Once your Google Slides is complete, I will also give you two options for sharing your Google Slides with other users. So the very first thing you need to do is go to Google and click on the Google Drive icon. Once you get to Google, you will go to the top left corner where it has the plus sign or new. Click on it and you'll get a few options. You're going to click on the Google Slides and it'll take you to a blank Google Slides page. Okay, so now that we have our fresh canvas, we can start from the very beginning. So this is kind of what you're going to see when you get to Google Slides. This is exactly what you're going to see actually. You can go to the top left hand corner and start by naming your presentation. So we can just name this our name. And then you will have the ability to change from this blank white canvas to something else if that's what you prefer. So in this right hand side of your Google Slides, you have a thing that says themes. As you can see, there's multiple options, so you're just going to scroll through these different themes and kind of just choose which best helps you convey your message. So there's different colors and it leads to different font sizes. Like I said, there's lots of options. For this presentation, I'm just going to click a basic black theme that's easy to see on and it conveys the information well. So once you click your theme, you will have a title page. This is always the first slide on a Google Slides when you start a new document. You do have the ability to delete this by pressing the delete button. But for this specific tutorial, I'm going to leave it here so we can add a title to our page. You're going to click in the box that says click to add title, and then it gives you the option to begin typing. Once you click in this box, it shows two things in the menu. It shows the different font styles. There's a few that you can choose from. You can choose one and then start typing. So let's just see. We're going to choose one. And we're going to start typing our name, the title of our slide, and then we're going to also, tutorial, also add the date. Okay. Let's say we don't like our font, it doesn't work well, or you can't really read it. You have the ability to highlight and then change your font. Once your words are highlighted, you can also change your font size. This is directly to the right of the font style. If you run your cursor over, it'll actually say font size. So you're going to highlight, click, and then you have the ability to change the size. If you click on the three dotted buttons right next to the font size, it'll give you a list of many things that you can change. So you can bold, italicize, underline, or use this capital A to change the text color. So let's just show you that. We're going to highlight, press the A, and you can change the color. Okay. Once you are satisfied with your introductory slide, you have the ability to add new slides. There's two options for this. In your top left-hand corner, you can click on the plus sign, which says New Slide, or you can click on the drop-down, which lets you change the layout of your slide. I'm going to use a blank slide so that I can show you how to add images to your Google Slides. So we're going to click on this blank image and then a new slide will pop up. It'll take you straight to that slide. Once we are here and wanting to add images, you're going to go to the top menu and then you're going to click on the insert button. When you do, there will be a drop-down menu and the first thing you'll see is images. If you hover your cursor over images, it'll give you two options for uploading photos. The first one is upload from your computer. This means that you'll be uploading a file or photo that has been saved previously to your computer. So we can do that now. We can click on upload from computer, go to our files, and then we can add a screenshot of how to change the text on a Google Slides. So that's one way that you can add it. And then if you want to add another picture, we can delete this. We can add another picture by going to the insert, image, drop down, and search from the web. When you search from the web, it'll bring you to Google, and then you can type into the search bar anything that you would like to add. So let's say we were using this in a second grade classroom and doing an animal research project. We could type the name of our animal and scroll through the options. Okay, all you need to do is click on the photo and press the insert button. It may take a second to load, but once it is loaded onto the screen, you have the ability to change the size of the animal. In your picture, you can move it around as you go. So once you are, let's give this a second to load. Well, okay, perfect. So once your photo has loaded, you have the option of changing the size. You're just going to grab this corner box and you can click and drag to change the size, and then you can also click the picture and move it around. It's kind of just what you want to do. So once you are satisfied with your Google Slides, you have the slides that you want, your pictures are included, your font size, everything that you want, and you're ready to share, you are going to go to the top right hand corner to this yellow box that says share and click on it. When you click on it, you have the ability to share two ways. The first way is by sharing by someone's name. This is a name that you have saved into your computer, or by their personal email address. Once you've typed in all the email address that you would like to share it to, you click down on this pencil icon and a drop box will give you different sharing options. So you have the ability to share with others, and they can either have the ability to edit your work, which means that when they get the Google slide, they will have the option to change things and type in your work. They can have the ability to just comment on what you've done, or they can have the ability to just view your work. The second way that you can share this is with a shareable link. So you're going to click the link icon and it'll have a similar pop-up. You're going to be able to copy this link and paste it anywhere that you would like. So you can paste it in an email, you can paste it on an assignment page on Facebook, whatever you're doing, you can paste it in anywhere. And then once again, you have those three options. Anyone who has this link can edit, comment, or view. That's just up to you and what you want to do with your Google Slides. So once again, Google Slides is a great tool to incorporate in classrooms as young as second grade. It's used for collaboration and research. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, so now that you have your tutorial on how to use it, I'm going to show you what a completed Google Slides looks like. So we're going to go over to this next one. And we're going to start with our title page. So we have a title page, just like we added previously. And you go to the next page, it gives you a screenshot of how to change the font, okay? So you'll click down on that font box and different things will drop down. The next slide will show you how to add a new slide. So once again, you click on that top corner and different slide formats will pop up for you. Okay, the last picture I've added for you is how you share. So once you click the share button, this is what's going to pop up. Sharing my email or sharing with the link. All of these pictures were just screenshotted off of my computer and saved and uploaded for you to see. If following verbal directions is a little bit more complicated, this is a second form of instruction that should guide you through creating a Google Slides. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you can incorporate this in your future classroom.